YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some more quick fixes on Pentair's Creepy Crawly Dorado suction side pool cleaner meant for above ground pools. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we have a quick fix video for you on Polaris's Vac-Sweep 280 pressure side pool cleaner. And today we are going to show you guys how to replace the float located here on the top of the cleaner. So this float is very important to the functionality of the cleaner because it actually helps level it out so that this cleaner doesn't actually just do wheelies all the time. So one way that you would know that your float is bad or that you're having issues with your float is if you do see your cleaner actually doing wheelies around your pool. That means there's a crack, there's some kind of break in this float, which is actually causing it to fill with water, which is pulling this part of the cleaner down, when in reality you want the float to help lift it up so that it actually stays level on the pool floor for you. So that's one way to know that this is actually worn and ready to go. Another way that you can tell is that if it just simply keeps popping off. If it keeps popping off, it's actually worn too much internally and it's not actually grabbing the feed mass tube here on the cleaner. So that's one way to know that you do need to replace this as well. So to remove the old one, if it's still attached to the cleaner, it's really simple. You can kind of twist it as you pull, but it is not threaded onto the cleaner. So in reality, all you gotta do is just yank it off. So once you actually pull it back and take it off, you guys can see it's just got a straight tube here where it just goes all the way through. You want to make sure that when you install it, you don't shove it all the way on. You're really just looking to get about halfway, about a third of the way in so that it actually grabs these opposite threads. So these are actually opposite so that they can help grab, so it's not easy for the float just to slide back off of the cleaner. So again, if it's got cracks in it and it's filled with water, it's time to replace. You're seeing your cleaner do wheelies, it's time to replace. If it just keeps falling off in the functionality of the cleaner, it's time to replace. Once you actually grab your new one, you're simply going to, like I said, you can sit here and kind of thread it and push it, but in reality, either way, you're just looking to push it up just before the feed mass tube has like a little indentation here in the molding. You want to make sure that you go up right about that point. There's no direction, so it doesn't matter if I took this off, flip it around, put it back on, it doesn't matter. Either way, just as long as you make sure that it's on the feed mast here far enough so that it doesn't just simply slide right back off. So today we showed you guys how to replace and remove the float for your Polaris 280. Make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got a ton of videos coming your way. We're actually going to tear this cleaner apart from the outside in. I really appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like, make sure you subscribe. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.